Hi everyone, today we'll be making grilled cottage cheese sandwich. This is a quick recipe again, very high on protein as we'll be using primarily cottage cheese as the filling, and we will completely avoid oil by just toasting the breads in the toaster. Choose the bread that you need of your choice. To make this recipe, I have used 100 grams of cottage cheese, which is grated. There is 3 tablespoons of freshly cut onion, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped green bell pepper, some green chilies to taste, some fresh coriander, black pepper and red pepper, and of course some salt. To make the mixture, we'll transfer all these ingredients into the bowl. After transferring all the ingredients into the bowl, we'll add some salt to taste, a little bit of black pepper. If you like spicy, add some chili flakes too. Now mix these well. The filling is ready. Now just toast 2 breads of your choice and we will fill it with this. I have some toasted sourdough bread here, and now we will add the filling. Give it a generous fill. There you go. Your sandwich is ready.